A food slicer is a kitchen tool that can cut various types of food into thin or even sliced pieces. It is a versatile tool that can be used in various ways, from slicing fruits and vegetables to making quick slaw or salad. There are many products available to choose best 5 vegetable choppers and food choppers, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews and compiled a list of the best 5 vegetable choppers and food choppers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the prices and other information, be sure to check my descriptions. So without any further, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Full-Star 6-in-1 Mandolin Slicer for Kitchen, Cheese Grater, Vegetable Spiralizer and Veggie Slicer for Cooking and Meal Prep. The Full-Star 6-in-1 Mandolin Slicer is the greatest functionality on the market. With 6 interchangeable blades, you can easily meet all your slicing and grating needs with our spiralizers, perfect for zoodles, healthy vegetable pasta, and gorgeous garnishes. Our compact and practical vegetable mandolin slicer can be fully disassembled with ease, meaning that storage and organization are no longer a problem. Plus, this kitchen gadget is dishwasher safe and includes a specialized cleaning tool, making it easy to keep your kitchen clean. Our stainless steel blades are high quality and razor sharp, ensuring that your meals are as safe as they are delicious. And if you have any questions or issues about using our mandolin slicer, read the instruction manual provided before use. We want you to have the best experience possible. Number 2. Full-Star 9-in-1 Deluxe Vegetable Chopper Kitchen Gifts Onion Chopper and Dicer Peeler, Spiralizer, Zoodle Maker, Lemon Squeezer, Egg Slicer and Separator. The Full-Star 9-in-1 Deluxe Vegetable Chopper Kitchen Gifts is an all-in-one kitchen gadget that has been designed to make your life easier. With 7 easy-to-change inserts, including 2 different-sized chopper blades and 2 spiralizer inserts, this multifunctional all-in-one kitchen gadget has everything you need to create delicious and healthy meals. The quality materials and easy store design make it perfect for the busy cook. Additionally, the non-slip base makes chopping much easier, while the catch tray prevents any messes from happening. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper for Slicing, Shredding, Mincing, and Puree, 8-cup, black. Hamilton Beach 8-cup Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper is the perfect kitchen tool for shredding, slicing, chopping, and pureeing food. Its reversible disc slices and shreds foods quickly and easily. The large feed chute can handle large items like a whole block of cheese. The food processor also features 2 speeds plus a pulse for precision control. The dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup easy. Number 4. Full-Star All-in-1 Vegetable Chopper, Mandolin Slicer and Cheese Grater Multi-Blade French Fry Cutter and Veggie Dicer includes bonus handheld spiralizer and kitchen gadgets. The Full-Star All-in-1 Vegetable Chopper is the greatest kitchen gadget on the market. You can use it to slice, grate, chop, and even spiralize vegetables with its 5 interchangeable blades. The catch tray makes cooking mess-free and easy, while the non-toxic ABS plastic ensures your food is healthy. The stainless steel blades are high quality and razor sharp, making this a safe and durable choice for your kitchen. Number 5. Mueller Vegetable Chopper, Heavy-Duty Vegetable Slicer, Onion Chopper with Container, Food Chopper Slicer Dicer Cutter, for blades. The Mueller Vegetable Chopper is the perfect chopper for all your slicing needs. With its 4 ultra-sharp German 420 grade hardened stainless steel discs, it reduces onion vapors to minimize tears in a storage container. This heavy-duty vegetable slicer also holds up to 4 cups or 1.2 liters, making it ideal for larger quantities of vegetables and cheeses. Plus, all parts are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.